आदरणीय व्यासपीठावर उपस्थित सन्माननीय अतिथी भुते सर, ज्यांचं कला क्षेत्रामध्येच नव्हे तर शिक्षण क्षेत्रामध्ये सुद्धा अतिशय सन्मानाने नाव घेतलं जातं.
मंडळीचे प्रमुख असलेले आदरणीय श्री गणेशराव क्षीरसागर,
cuboid has 6 faces like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we make a cuboid. It is also 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and
this is a base and this height, and opposite of this 90 degree angle, this is our hypotenuse. So how can we prove that the hypotenuse is equals to base square plus height square? So listen here. First of all, here we have a square which is cut into 4 parts. So we have to arrange it in the direction inside of that. After that, see here. All parts of that sheets are interconnected to each other in that square. So that is we can prove the hypotenuse square is equals to